Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit dark aesthetic Instagram reels on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application, and to create dark aesthetic Instagram reels, I'm just going to use template from CapCut. So I'm gonna click on the templates menu, and then we can go to the search bar and then search for dark aesthetic. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates for you guys, and you just need to choose the template that you want. And I'm just going to pick random template from here. I'm gonna use this one, and we can replace the videos or the photos in the template with our own videos or photos. Okay, you can click on use template, and as you can see, we need to prepare 10 videos or photos, and I'm just going to pick it from my gallery. I'm just going to go to the videos, and then I'm going to pick random videos from here. Okay, just like this. Okay, I need more videos, right? One more video. Okay, now it's done, and I'm just going to click on next because 10 items have been selected. Alright, and then this is the result guys. And before you export the video, you can check it first. And if you're not satisfied with the audio, you can change it. This is how the audio sounds like. If you want to change it, just go to the audio and then you can choose the video that you like. But I'm just going to leave it like that. And after we have edited the video, we can go to the export menu, and then oops, sorry, it's still loading. All right, and you can choose the resolution here. Okay, you can choose the best resolution for your video. Click on done, and then you can click on export without watermark to remove the CapCut watermark from your video. Okay, and then just click on export. Oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong button. Sorry guys, we can click on the export without watermark. Okay, and after the video has been exported, you will be able to share it to your Instagram reels. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit dark aesthetic Instagram reels. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.